This is for today's dinner, lemon butter orzo. How to make this? Keep watching. Good evening everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Alicia, I'm from Malaysia, I'm living in the Netherlands and this is almost dinner time. And today's dinner I'm going to make lemon butter orzo. So orzo is a type of pasta, the small rice looking pasta. For all of you who don't know what orzo is, let me show you. So orzo looks like this. So it looks like rice, but this is pasta. For the rest of the ingredients, follow me step by step how to make this lemon butter orzo. Let's do it. Okay, first of all, I'm heating up this pan and then I'm gonna add in my butter. Okay, I'm gonna put this is about 3 tablespoons of butter. Let it melt. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil, about 3 tablespoons. Okay, it's good to add in butter in the oil so the butter don't burn. Okay, the butter is slightly hot. I'm gonna press 6 cloves of garlic. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the fire. Instead of 6, I use 5. So I stir until the garlic is fragrant. So this is gonna be so delicious. Now I'm gonna add in the chicken cube. You can use chicken stock if you want, but I use the chicken cube only. So I'm gonna press it with the fire is off because I don't want the garlic to be burned. Okay, now we're gonna turn on the fire back, low fire. Now I'm gonna add in 3 cups. Okay, 3 cups, 1, 2, and then 3. So this is 3 cups of orzo, and then I'm gonna stir it like slowly fry it. You see that? It's coated well with butter and the garlic. It's gonna be so delicious. Now at this point of time, I'm gonna add water. So this is about 3 cups of water since I used 3 cups of the orzo. So as you can see, it's now simmering. Put the lid on and with the low heat, I cooked until the orzo is tender and all the water absorbed in the orzo. Time to open. Let's open it. So this is how it looks like after all the liquid being absorbed by the orzo. Look at that, this is already soft. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add in this is the lemon juice. Okay, lemon juice. I'm gonna add salt. Okay, lemon zest. Okay, lemon zest. I'm gonna add in my parmesan, half cup. Half cup means this one is just nice. Finish it. Okay, now I'm gonna stir in all together. This is, oh my. Okay, and then we're gonna season with black pepper. Okay, I'm gonna take 1 spoon like this. I'm gonna try it. Wow, this is actually so delicious. All right, now this is done. sprinkle this a little bit on top like that. This is the dry parsley. It's better to have fresh, but I don't have it, so I use the dry one. So this is just nice. Look at that. Look at that, guys. This is done. My lemon butter orzo is done. So now I'm going to show you. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. With the parmesan. I can smell the garlic. I can smell the parmesan cheese. The butter. This is so buttery and this is so delicious. I have tried already. This is my lemon butter orzo. I got this recipe from TikTok actually, and it turns out so delicious. I love it. The parmesan, the garlic, the butter. Oh, so good. I'm going to eat this with chicken liver fried with butter. I'm gonna close it and then I put aside. Alright, so thank you everyone for watching. If you get inspired by this video and if you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, leave a comment, share and subscribe. And I'll see you again on the next video. Bye!